30-year-old man, he presents to his physician for a follow-up appointment for blood pressure of 140/90 during his last visit. He was advised to record his blood pressure at home with an automated device twice every day. He recorded a wide range of blood pressure values in the past week, ranging from 110/70 to 135/84. Medical history is unremarkable. He takes no medications. He occasionally drinks alcohol after work, but denies any smoking or illicit drug use. So which of the following factors is responsible for maintaining a near normal renal blood flow over a wide range of systemic blood pressures? Afferent arterial, aldosterone, efferent arterial, glomerular filtration, or sympathetic nervous system. Yeah, whatever your blood pressure is, your renal blood flow is going to be maintained by your afferent arterial. You know the two mechanisms by which it does that? There are two main mechanisms. So the first one is myogenic. Good. So whenever you have high blood pressure, your renal blood flow increases. When your renal blood flow increases, it's going to stretch out your afferent arteriole, and that stretched receptors are going to get activated, causing vasoconstriction, going to limit the blood flow a little bit up there. So it's going to limit your normal renal blood flow. Whatever is required is it's going to allow, but otherwise it's going to constrict and say that, okay, this needs to get decreased because this is hypertension. Yeah. Second is tubuloglomerular. Yes. So that's again, you have hypertension, you have increased renal blood flow. Increased renal blood flow is going to initially increase your GFR. Yes, it's going to cause afferent constriction and all that, but it will also increase your GFR. When you increase your GFR, you're going to lose sodium and chloride, right? Sodium is going to sense by macula densa. Macula densa is going to secrete adenosine. Adenosine causes afferent constriction, again limiting your renal blood flow. So that's why that's the answer. Aldosterone does regulate your blood pressure, I would say. It doesn't regulate renal blood flow particularly. Efferent is more of renal plasma flow than the blood flow. So just make sure you know that difference. Glomerular filtration, whatever it comes, it's going to get filtered. So I don't think it's going to regulate your renal blood flow, like how much based on your blood pressure. And sympathetic nervous system will get activated whenever there is hypovolemia or stress and that kind of thing, but it doesn't have to do anything with your blood pressure regulation and your renal blood flow regulation. Yeah, so that's the autoregulatory mechanisms for kidneys.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.